The gathering that will take place after the tribulation is the gathering of the Israelites who were scattered all over the world. The beast system has taken this prophecy and convinced the people in religion that the gathering of the Israelites is the rapture of all who believe and accepted Jesus Christ as their Savior. Jeremiah chapter 30 starts with the Most High asking his prophet Jeremiah to write his promises to his people, the Israelites, in a book for the latter days. The Most High said he would gather his people and place them back on their land after Jacob's trouble.